Hi learners! Today's learning goal is I can identify key details in a text to describe the major events and challenges. To practice this goal, we're going to be using the text Marching with Aunt Susan that you have been reading in your ELA lessons. Writers use a variety of resources to make their research-based writing stronger. We're going to practice that today with our learning goal. Let's think about the sequence of connected historical events that happened in the California suffrage campaign that is described here in the text on page 133. I see Susan B. Anthony traveled around the state park to speak. I see it here in the text. To practice this learning goal, you will be using this graphic organizer. As you can see, I've already filled in the characters and the setting for you. We're going to focus on this event here when Susan speaks across California. There are several key details that you can learn from reading in the text on page 133. I'd like you to try to fill in the next big details from this event. What happened when she spoke across California? Your learning goal today was to identify key details in a text to describe the major events and challenges, just like I did with the first event.